Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyaya. Let's learn. In this video, we will learn where to use you and your. This video is specially made on request of our viewer. If you want a video on any specific topic, please post in the comment section. We are glad to help you. You. You is used for a person to whom the speaker is addressing. Let me explain in a simpler way. This is the speaker. She is speaking to this person. The speaker says, "How are you?" Here, you refers to the person. Your. Your means belonging to you. We can also say belonging to the person the speaker is speaking to. Let's see an example. Your pet is cute. Your pet is cute. Your pet in the sentence means the pet belongs to the person. The pet belongs to the person. Let's see a few more examples. Your car. The car belongs to the person. Your bag. Your books. Your ball. If we want to talk to the person, we use you. If we are talking about the person's things or belongings, we say your. Now let's read a few simple sentences for a better understanding. How are you? How are you? What's your name? What's your name? Here, you represents this person. What's your name? The speaker wants to know this person's name. Your name. Your toy is broken. Do you have a new toy? Let's read again. Your toy is broken. Do you have a new toy? You are looking beautiful. Your dress is pretty. Read again. You are looking beautiful. Your dress is pretty. You forgot your bag in the car. You forgot your bag in the car. Open your eyes. Read again. Open your eyes. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I hope this video helps you to understand where we should use you and your. Now let's try to answer these. You look tired. You look tired. You are strong. You are strong. It's your turn. It's your turn. Where are you? Where are you? Clean your room. Clean your room. Great job! Check the description box for more simple sentences and reading comprehensions. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.